Asthma sufferers face a deadly combination of trigger from a combination of cold weather, respiratory viruses, and smoke from fireworks and bonfire. A charity has warned. Asthma Lungs UK Scotland is arguing people living with lungs condition to take extra precautions during upcoming bonfire night celebration. With 2 in 5 people with asthma survived in Scotland, saying that poor air quality, including smoke use, flares ups in their condition. Colder temperature in winter, along with an abundance of cold and other viruses, including a rising prevalence of flu, could also bring on a spike in serious asthma attack. Nearly 40% of people living with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease survived by the charity said poor air quality made their symptoms worse too, and